To access application settings, simply select the Settings button on the ribbon. A settings menu will appear. In the middle, you will find contact information and options to either import, export, or restore default settings of the add-in. On the left, you will see a menu with different sections. You will be able to edit shortcuts, visualizations, productivity tools. Now, we will very briefly discuss what you can find in each setting section. This section allows you to enable and set custom keyboard shortcuts for almost all available XLBuddy's features. You have over 450 shortcut combinations at your disposal. To set a shortcut, simply tick a checkbox. Next to the specific feature, select a shortcut that you want and save your changes. It will be available to you right away. Please note that the selected shortcut with associated feature will override any other features bound to the same shortcut. It means that if you set one of our features to Control-C shortcut, it will overwrite the standard Windows copy. In this screen, you can also delete specific shortcuts, disable them without resetting the associated shortcut, or completely delete all shortcuts. Your visual settings are organized into styles. Think of a style as a container holding the settings for your visual elements, charts, tables, comments, highlight, etc. XLBuddy has 5 styles built in, which you can customize to your liking and switch between them easily. In addition, each style consists of 4 predefined functional scenarios. They are used in the chart wizards, formatting task panes, and other places. We designed it this way, so you can easily change formatting of certain elements or visuals according to your needs, all without the requirement to memorize all settings and apply them one by one manually. It is a huge time saver, as you can easily calculate. There are a total of 20 different formatting combinations available to you at all times. By default, all styles in XLBuddy are the same, and they hold IBCS compliant formatting settings for the following scenarios: actual, previous year, forecast, and plan. You can customize them as much as you want by simply tweaking some of the built-in settings, or completely redesigning whole styles or scenarios for your brand compliance or end users' needs or preferences. In other sections, you will find various settings related to specific elements like tables, charts, comments, etc. Settings are designed to be quite self-explanatory, so we will not discuss all of the options here. Please note that in most cases, when you change a specific setting from one to another, for example, changing the fill pattern for your chart, the visual image will change to give you a general, rough overview of how your visual or particular element might look like with your specific formatting combination. In various places, you will also be able to change scenario that you edit, while other settings, like highlighting color, are specific to a whole style, not scenario. Productivity settings are not split into styles and scenarios because the associated features will be used no matter what visual style is selected. This section consists of various settings related to our productivity features, which are designed to streamline your daily workflow, help you in data preparation, formatting, modeling, report building, and many other daily tasks.